Here we have Mommy and Ben going down Hill Horton. Wow, look how far they went. And here's Henry. Hi, Henry. Oh, your turn's next. And there's Logie. It's okay.
Hi, Henry, it's your turn.
Here comes Mommy and Ben.
Henry, it's your turn.
And here comes Mommy and Henry.
Henry, last time we went sled riding.
And Ben. There they come. Here comes Mom and Henry.
Oh no, we're gonna get
See our snowy street on Sunday, the January the 23rd. About 4 inches on the ground from this past week. Our Christmas ornaments are still up. So as our lights. They'll drift off the front gutter. Hey Ben, can you say hi? Hey Henry.
Can you wave to Daddy? He doesn't quite feel stable enough.
Hi buddy. Just got his new prosthetic this week, so this is his first time with the boot.
You want to go down again? Yeah? Okay. You
All
and
right.
Daddy and Ben get to play out here for a little while.
We'll catch everybody next time. Welcome to the slopes.